editing programs allow us to cut and paste elements of one photo into another. That's called compositing, or collage. We're going to be taking a look at several ways that we can do this in Photoshop, using selection tools and managing layers. First, I'm going to show you a variety of selection tools that we have inside of Photoshop. The first are the McKee tools, which will allow us to create rectangular, elliptical, and single row selections. The next is the lasso tool. The lasso tool can select areas that we can free draw. There's also a polygonal lasso tool, which allows us to make selections as a polygon, straight lines. And the most powerful lasso tool is the magnetic lasso tool. This is pretty amazing. It finds edges by looking for contrast, and it can just follow along, and so you can very quickly isolate subjects or areas by using the lasso tool. You complete a selection by bringing the selection tool back to its starting point. Another powerful selection tool are the magic wands. There's the quick selection wand, which allows us to click and drag to quickly select areas of color. And the magic wand, which very specifically selects areas of color. In the options for the magic wand, we can have it select contiguous areas, which means areas that are touching, or if we turn that off, it will select all areas of a similar color. So this is a brief demonstration of some of our selection tools. Composite photography is putting several photos into one photo. We're going to create a collage where I take another image from the same dance class and put it in the background of this first image. I'm going to use a selection tool, the McKee selector, to select a small area of the photo. I'm going to copy it by pressing Command-C or Control-C for copy. Next, I'm going to click into the original image and paste the picture. I can use the bounding box to adjust the size of the image. Notice it's created a new layer for the second image. Now, I could use the eraser tool if I wanted to apply an edge to the photo, or I can also group this picture into another shape. Photoshop has a shape tool, which is underneath a second black arrow tool. I'm going to choose custom shape. We'll put in a heart. Click and drag the shape, position it with the move tool. To place the photo inside of the shape, I'm going to arrange the layer so that the picture is above the layer shape. Next, I'm going to create a clipping mask. Anything that's above the layer shape, the shape layer, will then get pulled inside of that shape. So this is how you can create an image collage inside of one in Photoshop.